LATERAL Solutions Plumbing. We're at 943 Will Drive in Oxnard, Will Avenue in the El Rio area. Right now we have the sewer camera inspection being performed through the roof vent. We're about 104 feet away. That's as far as we're able to push with the camera from the roof. Right now we're gonna go down and run the camera from another spot on the side of the house. There's another clean out that we could run a camera all the way to the city connection. But we're gonna go ahead and start pulling back at this point towards the house. At this point here, we have a change of pipe from SDR 35 to cast iron. The cast iron is inside the house. It's in the backyard. As soon as it comes out of the house, on the back side of the house, into both restrooms and the kitchen. At this point here, you can see the scale buildup. They did a spot repair. You can see the smooth ABS pipe at this point here, and then it turns into the cast iron. This is also inside the house. then again it turns into the cast iron. The vent is also broken. You can see that the left side of the top screen is it's a crack on the vent. It goes all the way down to about there.